Yo, YouTube, Twitchy Zap Zap here, bringing you another episode of Clash Royale. As you can see, today we have some chests that we're going to open, and we're going to do some battles, because why not? Maybe we'll even get the crown chest open. Let's start with these free chests. Let's see, we got some gold, goblin, 1 skellybob, 2 arrows. Lots of arrows. 30 gold, that'll help. 2 gems, goblin, 2 more goblins. Now let's open this gold chest for you guys. 62 gold, 1 arrow, 3 goblins, 5 bombers, and a goblin hut. Not a bad card here in this area. Let's upgrade my archer just because I can and I actually use it. I need more pikas. It's 5 gold, I might as well. There you go. Now let's see if we can get this crown chest unlocked. Okay. Not a bad start, I guess. Not a bad start. Stop laughing at me. Let's drop the archers behind my tower. And the goblins on this side of my tower. Ah, he killed my goblin. He killed them. Oh no. Whatever will I do? Yeah, see, that's the thing I was worried about. Arrows, please. Yeah, see, now I'm not worried about him. Did that mean just drop a lightning on me? I think he did. And lightning's not a cheap card. It's a 6-drop epic, and that's gonna deal some damage to him here, because goblins don't play fair. They all take 10 stabbing. Oh, no, I guess we're not taking 10 stabbing. Musketeer drop. That's right, Musketeer. Just shoot him. Shoot him like you should. Valkyries are scary. Valkyries deal a lot of damage, which is why they're slow. And again, I don't like pikas, just because they're annoying. 2 bombs should do it. He's gonna drop something to guard my, but he's gonna have a charge. No, I guess not, but that's still game. So, yeah, right now, this man's deck was very, I'm gonna laugh at you, was very, high cost, so winning wasn't that hard. You have to have a balance of high and low. That's a thing in this game. It's a thing everywhere. What do I need to get to the next arena? 800. And I'm only at 493. I don't think I'm going to be getting there this episode, but maybe crown chest, maybe. Okay. One of the worst starts I can have. Giant, please. Okay, now the giant is placed. Oh boy. Arrows. As long as they focus right, they did not. Okay, she did. Now get in there and stab the... Yeah. Okay. So that means that the tower is mine, and I've won. Holy crap, they left! They left because I had arrows. It's a common. Not only that, but you get it in the beginning of the game. It shouldn't be that hard to realize. So that was a fast match, if I've ever seen one. Got a gold chest! Yeah! I'm sorry about that. I'm at 6. We're just gonna keep going until I get this crown chest unlocked. This man is rank 3 as well. Oh, I'm rank 4. Oh man, that is a mean start. I'll go on this side then. Oh, with my musketeer. See, he has a lot of low drops. The fact that he felt confident enough to start with the bomb towers proves that his drops are low. Very, very low. I mean, your tower's mine anyway, so give up. I'd rather you focus on him than my giant, because my giant will do shit to your, well, everything. Here's die. And that's game. These are the fastest matches I've ever had. I can't collect a chest, but I got 7 gold, so I guess that's okay. And I guess next one, I do not care if I lose. Still can't upgrade anything. I'm sorry, I think the next video is going to be held off until after I get all these chests unlocked. But that's not that bad. Yeah, see, that's what I was worried about. Goblins. And giant. And musketeer. Now that's an army. Musketeer and Pika. Yeah, see, that's troublesome. Oh no, whatever will I do? Just being able to distract is strong enough. Yeah, see? Knight is crazy good if you know what you're doing with it. I do not. As long as I get the one tower, I do not care. The Pika, again, low attack, high damage. It's scary. Low HP, high damage. It's a very, very scary card. I'll see if I can get some damage on this tower. At least a little. It's doing a lot, actually. Like, a lot. Shink, 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 shink. Giant. Obviously, I'm not gonna get a tower this time. It's okay, though. You win some, you lose some, you know? Good game. I lost 8 trophies, but everything can't be perfect. Like I said, every play will not be perfect. I'm facing bro. Okay. Wow, starting off with a dick move. Got it. Glad I know that. I'd rather be aware. And goblins. So here's Goblin Barrels, which is a very good card when played right. She's going to take out these guys because my other troops don't target air troops, so and target them. Not enough elixir, but that's okay because I've won. Woo! Prince! Coming in for the final, whatever. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I guess I have another crown chest. 2, 11, 3. I unlocked minions. 7 more of those. 16 and 3 P.E.K.K.A.s. Yes.